What's up, everybody, and welcome to this divinely guided message. This is a reading for the collective. Let's jump right in. You were guided here. There is a message in this reading. Trust that there is always a purpose to everything that we do, whether we notice or not. All right, so collective, let's see what's going on. Message for the collective. All right, so what popped out? Temperance, Sagittarius. We are in Sagittarius season. The new moon is in Sag. So I really feel like this is leveling up, really overcoming the hard places, not stuck in that rock energy where almost frozen. I feel like you are elevating through this experience, really letting out your exploration, your thirst for adventure, understanding how the energy in the universe is working. I really feel like you're connected with the cosmos. This is that energy of higher learning, finding your spiritual balance. So no longer stuck, but growing from the energy of the light, of the sun, and also grounded by the moon. I feel like you're in this energy of holding yourself high. I feel like your chin is like you're almost like your chin is you're raising your head a little bit higher, almost with this pure energy of not resentful and not feeling lack, but feeling elevated from the experience. So I feel like you are really connected within the womb of, almost like disconnecting from the womb, you know, like I feel like almost like cutting the umbilical cord, and you're in this fresh energy of just feeling energetic. You're feeling energetic and optimistic. Having this new belief that you're just where you need to be. All right, so needing to overcome this Five of Swords. This is the energy of freeing yourself from your mind, freeing yourself from other people putting thoughts in your mind. So this is almost the energy around getting away from that chatter. You know, he's rubbing his head. And the 5 symbolizes change. With Temperance, I feel like really elevating your mindset and not allowing negative thoughts to bring you down. And it's like not staying stuck in this mental block, but freeing yourself. You know, you're freeing yourself. Allowing others to stay and think whatever you want. I feel like you're already clear what you want to do. So I feel like this is the energy around needing to block out anything that is keeping you from your true purpose, because you're meant to soar above these situations. So really, this higher perspective is allowing you to escape these mental blocks, escape the communication or the thoughts of others. And I feel like this is all about people projecting on you. All right, so you are releasing that, and it's like you're completely cutting ties with that energy. All right, and temperance is just that beautiful energy of your guiding light. You're not stuck in any kind of, it's like you're in your truth. You're in your truth. You're seeing clearly right now. Like you're seeing clearly, the rain is gone. Not sure if you know that song. All right, so in the energy around the hangman, so yeah, growing wiser within the situations. This is all about being able to connect with the other dimensions, being able to receive the information, the downloads, very intuitive, I feel like. But you're not in this energy. This is the energy, I feel like, the lessons that people are always going to talk. People are always going to have something to say, right? People are always going to have their own opinions no matter what. And it's almost like you're just kind of rubbing your head like you're over it. You're over all of the mental chaos, the gossip. I mean, you have this energy of just lightening your load, not being tangled in these situations. So yeah, so there's been a lot of energy of maybe what your purpose is and your beliefs. Could even be trying to keep you from growing and reaching a new frequency, right? I feel like this is you are growing and but comfortable, right? Like hanging upside down. You're comfortable in the uncomfortable. You're becoming aware and freeing yourself, mind, body, and soul. Like you are shifting into a different frequency. And I feel like that's why the energy, you're over here, you know, you're no longer stuck in that. I feel like temperance is that energy of spirit. That you have expanded your consciousness, that you are released from these situations. All right, so keep doing your work, keep healing. This 12 hangman, that's 3 also, which is new cycles, very emotionally. It's like I feel like you are releasing the emotions, releasing any kind of conflicts or any kind of negative thoughts. You're right in the balance. You're learning how to balance with the energy, that you still have to be in the dark sometimes, but it's almost like understanding that these dark times bring out even more success. So yeah, you're elevating, really expanding your belief system, no longer in this stuck energy of just mental imprisonment. And you have the King of Swords. Yeah, very wise, intelligent, cold and calculated sometimes on a bad day, but I really feel like this is more this wise energy, that you've grown wiser from these situations, because you have taken yourself out of the battles. You're taking yourself out of anything or anybody that is speaking to you as telling you what to do. I feel like you already have your clarity, your truth, and that's what you're standing for. All right. And this is wise energy. of rising above the situation, seeing things and not being reactive. This is very strategic. This is very intelligent, wise. Somebody that will lead with integrity. So I feel like you're standing in your energy of, it's been cold and it's been dark and there has been a lot of things said on your name, or just a lot of almost like expectations of what you should do and what you should be, and all of the other people's opinions around you. So this is all about this new energy of freeing yourself and soaring to the higher limits and seeing above what was just not allowing yourself to be who you're meant to be. So this is not standing for anything, cutting out any bull. All right, so I really feel like that this is going to be bringing in, this high frequency is going to be bringing somebody that's romantic, kind, wants to bring you on dates, wants to whisk you off your feet and really offer you something. And this is all about this new moon, new starts, new intentions, new passions, creativity, desires. I feel like this is following your own desires, following your own heart, following, just being able to break out of who you were supposed to be, right? Because there's something so beautiful about authenticity. It is the highest frequency. So I feel like you've elevated, you've been able to grow your own clarity, and I feel like this no longer having, you see the crow's quiet and is above and protecting. So it's like no longer allowing this in your life, putting people and things in their places. So like no more letting yourself down by holding back your own desires. Yeah, all about growing something new. This is healing the energy of purpose, almost purposely holding yourself back by following other people's advice all the time and not choosing to create your own life. And this is independence. This is abundance, growth, planting seeds, and they're coming into, this is investing in yourself and growing your own love, abundance. Yeah, so freeing from others running your life, dictating what you're supposed to do, and now you stood up for yourself. You no longer accept anything but your own truth, all right? And that's allowing you to grow these seeds of your own value, being resourceful, allowing the light to guide you, not holding on to anything or needing others. I feel like this is the energy of confidence in your own investments, confidence in your own plans, that you can grow anything, and not allowing yourself to stay small. Because Sagittarius is all about expansion, and there's something very beautiful about this energy. It's all about good fortune. So know that there is something beautiful coming in for you. trust that your frequency is going to bring in something that really inspires you and sparks your curiosity, almost brings you back to who you were and who you are. No longer having to feel like you need to fight everybody off. Because you are your own creation, all right? Don't let sabotage of life, don't let the pretty face or the something that is good for a short time, because this is King of Swords, which is invested in creating a very unique life that is all about logic. So this is putting your life into order. This is putting your dreams into reality. The opportunities are being presented to you, all right? So this is all about opportunities that will grow strong. It starts on a strong foundation, all right? I feel like you're growing with love and intention. Two of Wands. You have the insight of where you want to go and what you want to do. I feel like you just need to make the first move. Make the first move and trust that you are wise and you know your purpose is nothing like others. Oh, that Temperance popped back out in the Knight of Swords. All right, yeah. So all your heart's desires, this is an energy of expanding love. When you go outside the borders, when you go outside the limits that we have been taught, you really see how much more the universe has to offer. So know that right now you are very desirable. There is love around you, offers of love, expanding a relationship with you, creating higher beliefs in what love is. Yeah, and the King of Pentacles. It's like you know who you are and you know who you want, what you want. All right? Know you are that, look, you are the wolf energy, very spiritually guided. It's like you understand the fundamentals of life. You understand the quest and you understand how to create happiness in all aspects. Like grounding energy, very grounding. Finding stability within yourself. So Temperance is, yeah, it's going above the situation. And I feel like this has allowed you to free yourself from those small energies. You know, you're meant to grow and evolve, expand, and not stay in anything that's keeping you in loss, all right? The past was to show you how beautiful the future is. The moon sets so that the sun can come in and warm, right? And then the moon and the sun, they need each other. They balance each other out. They have what each other doesn't have. And without each other, they wouldn't... Without each other... I feel like there's this times where you go into the dark and you come out stronger, even though it's broken down some belief systems, right? I feel like Sagittarius has that energy that goes through the conflicts, the challenges, and with Jupiter on your side, this brings in a new fortune, all right? So what you've lost in the past is all a part of the divine plan, all right? Divine plan. Because right now I feel like the collective, it's very stuck, not seeing the potential, the key is right there, but not seeing it. So it's almost trapped in own restraints, trapped in time as we are now, and what has happened already happened. So there's a need to move forward and to create growth and wisdom of healing. I feel like it's all about the healing journey. When we heal, look at that, when we heal, it's truly the most freeing energy, you know, because it's like the sky is the limit. Not waiting for someone to fill your cup. Know that you have all of your own love to give. And you hold the treasure. All right, so whatever you're wishing for right now, know that it's already on its way. Oh, one more card. Let's do, oh, the moon. Yeah, there's going to be a lot revealed. Whatever's been cycling around, kind of not knowing where to put our energy. So I feel like this is kind of like that teeter-totter energy of life, you know, where the waves come in, the waves, this is secrets that have been hidden within the cycles. It's going to reveal how strong you truly are. The Leo and the Cancerian, okay? So yeah, so this is about a choice to nurture your inner beast, your inner self, that these cycles, if you're in a tough spot right now, know that it's going to bounce back around, all right? Just like the moon changes signs a lot. So I feel like you're in this energy of really conflicts, fighting off, really fiery energy right now. And there's a lot of movement, a lot of questions. So I feel like this is that moon. The moon is all about secrets, revealing emotions. So it's healing whatever has been keeping you from rising above the situations, all right? Know that not absorbing this energy and not reacting is where you hold your strength. That's where you hold your power. That's the secret, is not to react. If somebody does something to you, don't do it back. Okay, that's the cycle. You know, if someone does something, drop the other pentacle. Hold on to your opportunity, because opportunities are coming in. And yeah, after death comes a new cycle of life, something that is much more beneficial for you, something that's inspiring your desire, your heart, your passions, your connections. Yeah, this is standing grounded and leading your own new beginning, creating your own expansion. The portal's open and all about creating something that is best for that is best for everybody. We want everyone to be happy. We want everybody to connect. And sometimes fighting fire with fire is not how we heal. As a healer, we want to not absorb it, but know that it's a projection. All right, people mirror things. They can only do and act as far as they know how to. So sometimes people need somebody just to say, hey, it's okay, I get you. You know, I was there. We're all healing. We're all people, and we're all on the same journey of love. Okay, bye.